How to hire a remote medical interpreter. Step 1. Define your language needs. Identify your patient populations and the languages they need. Step 2. Verify training and qualifications. Look for interpreters with proven healthcare interpreting experience, relevant training, or recognized certifications when available. Step 3. Prioritize medical experience. Make sure they know clinical terms and procedures. Step 4. Check cultural awareness. Choose interpreters who understand cultural nuances and patient comfort. Step 5. Test communication skills. Run mock scenarios to check clarity, neutrality, and fluency. Step 6. Confirm HIPAA knowledge. They must understand privacy and compliance protocols. Step 7. Pick the right format, phone, video, or on-site. Choose what fits your care model. At WOW Remote Teams, we make hiring easier. Let us help you access skilled remote medical interpreters across Latin America, so you can deliver better care anywhere.